Howdy shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. If you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right there in the lower right hand corner. Hit that like button. Let's get this one on the way. Let's get you a little bit of label action. That focus if it ever wants to. Sometimes it focuses, sometimes it doesn't, guys. Let's give it one more try. And let's move on. This reads the Air Jordan 4 Retro Black, Fire Red, Cement, and Gray. You guys know what this is already. The Jordan 4 Retro Bred Reimagined. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't really like this shoe. I'm happy to have some, but the original shoe is one of my favorite shoes. I just don't like the material that this shoe is made out of. It feels okay, and the shoe looks outstanding. But I don't know. Like I said, I think I'm just a fan of the OG, and I might be swaying me, but this is a pretty good shoe as well. If you're a Jordan 4 fan, which most people are right now, I can't see why you wouldn't get this shoe. Snap on your back tab. I don't know why you do that, but it has a beautiful Nike Air on the back. Overall, like I said, this shoe may grow on me in years. I'll bust my pairs out. Like I said, I'm going to be selling some pairs on StockX and eBay. So if you guys are interested in any pairs, check out my eBay or StockX. I want to start selling on Amazon with Sniper Kicks. I just signed up for his dollar program, so you guys should go check it out, I guess, too, if you're interested in selling some sneakers. Give you guys a top look of the shoe. Everything on this shoe is black. Like I said, everything feels premium. But I just don't believe that the shoe's going to have too many wears with the material that they made it out of. Not that the new Buck had too many, but it seemed like it was just a tougher leather. See what the Nike Air tag back is not orange, but just seeing that back makes me laugh. Pretty decent black netting. Like I said, it's just reimagined. I don't know. Back of the shoe, like I said, that Nike Air is going to save it. I was going to drive up the price on this shoe and just being a bread colorway. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of this shoe. My netting on this side is kind of iffy. But it is what it is, I guess. Let me know, let you guys see what I'm talking about. See how it's kind of puffy on this side. Doesn't do anything to the shoe, but still, maybe when you put your foot in there, it'll fix it out. Jordan 4 red bottom. Can't go wrong with that. That's the traditional bottom. Guys, look at the Nike Air on the back. So everybody loves that. Nothing special in the shoe. See the interior, just the red inner with the Nike logo. Same thing for the Jumpman, nothing special, just traditional. But like I said, the materials. For you guys to look what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your foot/feet. And now, what you guys think of the Jordan 4 Red Reimagined? Are you trying to get a pair? Did you get a pair? Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys will see on the channel next. And above all else, everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. I'm going to probably make a video for the Bred 4s